In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create OKRs, also known as Objectives and Key Results, using Notion. OKRs are one of the most powerful goal-setting frameworks used by top companies and creators to stay focused, measure progress, and actually achieve meaningful results. Whether you're managing personal goals, building a business, or growing a YouTube channel, this setup will help you stay aligned and organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future productivity and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to your page called Objectives and Key Results. If you already have one, great. If not, you can create a new page and name it Objectives and Key Results to keep everything centralized. Once you're on this page, start by clearly adding the title Objectives and Key Results at the top. This helps define the purpose of the page and keeps things clean and structured. Next, begin by typing in your Objectives section. Objectives should be high-level, inspirational goals that describe what you want to achieve. These are not tasks or metrics yet, just clear direction-setting goals. After that, create a relevant objectives database. This database will store all of your objectives in one place, making it easy to track, update, and review them over time. Now move on to Key Results. Click on the Key Results section and create a dedicated Key Results database. Key results are measurable outcomes that show whether you're making progress toward your objectives. Think numbers, percentages, or specific milestones. Once your Key Results database is created, click on the plus icon on the right side of the database to add a new property. From the property options, click on Relation. This is a very important step because it allows you to connect key results directly to objectives. In the relation setup, choose Objectives as the database you want to link to, then click Add Relation. Now when you add or edit a key result, you can link it directly to an objective. Click to add objectives within a key result and select the relevant objective, for example, dominate YouTube in my niche. Repeat this process to link additional objectives as needed. You can add multiple objectives to a single key result if they're related. Continue clicking to add objectives such as achieve peak physical health, depending on how you've structured your goals. This relationship makes it incredibly easy to see which key results support which objectives at a glance. Once everything is linked, you now have a fully functional OKR system where objectives provide direction and key results provide measurable progress. Take a moment to review your setup and make sure each objective has clear, actionable key results connected to it. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to create OKRs in Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay focused and achieve their goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.